If I told you, A, I will create more millionaires in the next 24 months than the last 20 years combined, would you believe me? No. Then watch carefully, because the people who skip this video will miss the biggest money shift of their lifetime. AI isn't taking your job, it's taking your excuses. And before you say that's not true, let me show you real people who quietly became rich while everyone else scrolled TikTok. You know why most people stay broke? Because they think AI is too complicated. They picture complex code and servers, but here's the truth. 99% of new AI millionaires don't know how to code. They just know where to click. What if I told you one tool can replace 3 employees and you could be the one selling that solution? This brings me to the first path. Automation businesses. Right now, tens of thousands of small US businesses desperately want automation. They want to streamline their customer service, their marketing, their sales follow-ups, but they have no idea how to build it. That's where you come in. You can charge $500 to $1,500 per setup. And the best part is, AI tools now build the automation for you. You're just connecting the dots. Serious question. Why would any business pay a human for a repetitive task when an AI can do it 24/7 for practically $0 an hour? They wouldn't, which is why this opportunity is exploding. Before I show you the tool that makes this stupidly easy, comment AI 2027 down below if you want me to drop the free automation templates I've put together. I'll share them only with the people who comment. Now, let's talk about the second path, faceless YouTube. You've seen those channels with 500,000 subscribers that never show a human face, right? The ones about history, finance, or meditation. Most of them are using AI-generated scripts, AI-powered voices, and even AI video editors to pump out content. Some of these channels are quietly making $10,000 to $50,000 a month. Honest question, why aren't you doing this? You're already here watching YouTube anyway. The barrier to entry has completely vanished. The third path is AI product creation. A few years ago, creating a digital product like an ebook or an online course would take weeks, if not months. You had to write, design, record, and edit everything yourself. Now AI can help you build ebooks, create entire courses, design professional templates, and even code simple apps in a matter of hours. What would you do if AI could build the entire foundation for your first online business by tomorrow morning? Think about that. Real quick, if you want the step-by-step versions of these opportunities, the actual tutorials showing you how to do this, hit that subscribe button. I only teach the methods that actually make money, no fluff, just results. Okay, on to the fourth path, reselling AI skills. This is the easiest way to start. You don't need to be an expert. The AI makes you look like one. People are going on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork and charging $25 for work that takes an AI tool 30 seconds to complete. This could be writing ad copy, creating logos, or translating documents. The client gets a great result, and you get paid for knowing which button to press. So what's your excuse? AI doesn't get tired, but humans do. Okay, here's the part everyone waits for. The tool that ties all of this together. The secret isn't just one single AI like ChatGPT. The real power is in agent-based AI builders. These are systems that let you create full businesses, automations, marketing funnels, and complex workflows without touching a single line of code. They act like a team of employees, with different AI agents handling different tasks. One writes the content, another designs the web page, and a third runs the ad campaign. These tools are literally doing the heavy lifting for you. If you ignore this wave, someone else will build the future while you just watch. If you want the full tutorial for the best agent-based AI tool I've found, type full guide in the comments. I'll send it over. Because the next 2 years will create the biggest wealth shift in internet history. And I'm trying to put you on the right side of it. Thanks for watching.